You already know who it is. You already know what I do. I trade the 5 second time frame. I'm at it. I'm going. It's gonna run my face here. You click the video because you were like, "Wow, that's a lot of money. I want to make a lot of money." Well, guess what? This is not real. This is fake. I can change anything. This is the internet. Don't believe what you see. But we know it is real, a profitable strategy, and I can show you that. I trade the strategy live Monday through Friday on my YouTube channel. I have a Discord for this. I have a mentorship for this. We all focus on one model and nothing else. And we're all just learning this pattern. It's so easy. It's so simple. And it will make you profitable. It works on any market, any time frame. I literally live stream this Monday through Friday. All right, let's get into it. I highly recommend if you want deeper knowledge than this and something to take you to full profitability, get into the mentorship. I got you, but I'm about to give you all the sauce right now. You ready? These blue candles is buyers pulling the price up. These pink candles are sellers pulling the price down. So buyers are pulling the price up right here. And then you see a pink candle, blue candle, pink candle. It just happens again and again and again. So blue candle's going up. Pink candle pulls me down. Blue candle, and it just keeps happening, right? And we see that happen here again and again and again. Blue candle, the pink candle. It just goes on and on and on. We can change this to a line, and we're drawing the same pattern we just saw. See, all this going up and down is all this. Pink candle, blue candle, pink candle, blue candle. Again and again and again and again. It happens all day, every day. So when we're looking at these candles going up, there's something that I spot here. It's called a break of structure, or you could say a sweep, but to the upside, I'm just gonna say break of structure. We're moving up, so that means we're bullish. And here's a bullish example of how it looks on the charts. We're moving up, it's bullish. When we start to move down, it's bearish. So bearish is moving down. Okay. So bullish, we're moving up. And every time we go higher, we're making more mountains. Every time we go lower, we're making more upside down mountains. So every top of mountain is a swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high, swing high. What's this? Take a guess. Really guess here. Swing high. What's this to the downside? Swing low, swing low, swing low, swing low, swing low, swing low. You got all those, right? Swing highs and swing lows. So if we came back to the charts, what would this be right here? Take a guess. Price comes up, comes down, comes up. Swing low. All right. Make this a line chart. Let's get rid of that drawing there. Swing low. Right there. Swing low right here. A swing high was right here. Those baby swing highs, baby swing lows. There's so many swing highs and lows because I trade the 5 second time frame. Okay, so every time we come up and we come down, we take this new swing high. So let's put a line right there where that happened at. And we call that a break of structure. Break of structure, okay? Price comes up, break of structure again. Price comes up, swing high, break of structure again. Price comes up, swing high, break of structure again. What happens right here? Swing high, break of structure again. And so on and so on, okay? Let's do it to the downside now. Price is coming down. And the swing lows, swing lows, swing lows. We're bearish, so to the downside, swing lows. We break structure. The BOS happens right here. That swing low was taken. Price comes down again. BOS happens again, the swing low. Price comes back up, back down again. Takes that swing low. It happens again. Can you spot it? Where's it at right here? I hope you saw it right there. This happens again and again and again. That's bearish. This is bullish. Now let's look for our pattern. We've originally looked for a sweep. So that break of structure that you just learned, we look for that sweep. Let's just pretend this is. So we get the sweep here. So price came down, swept a swing low. Then price came up and took the swing high. I am now interested in this pattern that I just saw. I'm going to get that new swing low and the previous swing high, the one that we took, and make a zone. So I can recognize the sweep that happened outside the zone. If it happened in the zone, it's invalid. So it happened outside the zone. Get that swing high, that swing low. Price comes out. Price taps the zone. We tap it. Then break structure again, what we just learned. And we come back down and we fill at 50% and come hit our take profit where we set our take profit at, or our stop loss. This is where we would collect our money. And this is where we would lose on our gamble. So what you're seeing is an edge. I'm coming to the market. I'm taking a gamble on taking this trade. My take profit is up here. This is my take profit where I collect my money. This is where I get out of my position and lose my money. Because all I'm doing is betting if we're going to go up or go down. There is one key element that I forgot to mention about the strategy. Before we enter at 50%, we just need one last requirement. We need price to reach 100% away from the zone. So we come up, price has reached 100% away. So let's delete this. Then we can put our entry at 50%, have our take profit right here and our stop right here. So when price comes in, fills us, boom, awesome. If price taps really late, so like, let's say we create a zone, just draw it again. So we see this pattern. I'll make this green. Swing high, the swing low that got taken, swing low. So boom, create that zone. Price comes out, goes really far away. So it definitely reached 100%. We don't have to worry about that anymore, but we still need our tap. So price comes back, bloop, taps us. We still need the breakup structure after the tap. So price comes back up. We need that breakup structure still to happen. Then this trade is now eligible. To the downside, doing the same thing. We're looking for the same checklist, the sweep, that swing high, that swing low. We see the tap on the zone. Price came, tapped, broke structure. Look, price even respected the zone, came at 50% and hit my take profit where I have set it at, and my stop loss up here. And it's that easy. I have these 3 playlists that can help you be profitable. You can give them a look. They're all on my YouTube channel. And you can also get in the Discord for free too.